Hello everyone, this is video for Texas Instrument India's Innovation Challenge 2016. We would like to present our video demonstration on our product, Automatic Farm Watering System. Here is the circuit which is used to turn on and off motor accordingly to the soil moisture sensor. This is soil moisture sensor which is currently deep in dry soil. This is current sensor which is used to detect dry run condition in a motor. This is motor to water the farm. Currently there is no pipeline because we will first take trial for dry run condition. As land is dry, the motor will turns on automatically, but currently there is no pipeline, hence motor is running dry. After some time, motor will get off because of dry run condition is detected, and user will get SMS that the motor is off due to dry run. Now we are starting with the motor. Pipeline is connected to the motor. As land is dry, the motor turns on and field gets start watering. And user will receive the SMS, motor is on, watering successfully. When total farm watered properly, then motor will turns off and user will receive SMS, field is full of water, so motor is off. Now we will take video of our customer. His name is Sadashiv Shankar Rangam. तुम्हाला आमची सिस्टीम तुमच्या शेतामध्ये लावायला आवडेल का?
हो, नक्कीच आवडेल. कारण मला शेतीवर न जाता माझ्या संपूर्ण शेतीला पाणी देता येणार आहे. आणि ते शेतीतली पोझिशन, पाण्याची पोझिशन शेतीतली मला मोबाईलला समजणार आहे. त्यामुळे मला ती नक्कीच आवडेल.
तुम्हाला आमची सिस्टीम 6000 रुपयांमध्ये विकत घ्यायला आवडेल का?
हो, नक्कीच आवडेल. कारण 6000 रुपयात एवढ्या सुविधा मिळणार आहेत व याचा उपयोग बागेसाठी सुद्धा लोकांना होईल आणि बरेचसे गार्डियन ते विकत घेतील. त्यामुळे माझी वेळ आणि कष्टही वाचतील आणि त्या कालावधीत मला घरातली काही कामं करता येतील.